In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a scroll effect in Wix. Let's get started and walk through this process step by step to make sure your Wix website stands out with engaging animations. First, you'll need to access your Wix account. Head over to wix.com and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where all your existing sites are displayed. If you haven't logged in before, or if you're new to Wix, simply follow the prompts to set up your account and create your first website. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to overview all your sites and decide which one you want to apply the scroll effect to. After you've selected a site, find and click the Select and Edit Site button. This action will lead you to the Wix Editor where you can start customizing your website. Inside the Wix Editor, navigate to the top menu and select Design Site. This option allows you to make visual changes to the structure and appearance of your site. It may help you envision how effects, like the scroll effect, will integrate into your current design theme. Next, you'll want to go to the specific web page within your site that will incorporate the scroll effect. You can do this by navigating through your site's pages in the Page Manager tab. Once you've found the right spot, click anywhere on the page where you want the effect to be applied. Usually an image or a section is ideal for this kind of animation. With your target area selected, look for the Animation and Effect menu. Here, Wix provides you with several animation effects to choose from. Browse through the available options and select one that best suits the design theme and feel of your website. These effects are designed to enhance user interaction, so pick one that aligns with your overall site aesthetic. After selecting an animation, you'll have the option to customize it further. Click on Customize to adjust specific details such as the speed, direction, and trigger of the animation. Customizing these elements allows the scroll effect to blend seamlessly with your design while maintaining smooth functionality for your site's visitors. Finally, take a moment to preview the changes. Wix allows you to view your site as it would appear live, so use this opportunity to ensure the animation looks good and functions as expected. Adjust any settings as needed during this preview phase for the best result. And there you go, you've successfully created a captivating scroll effect on your Wix site. Be sure to experiment with different animations and their customizations to discover what works best for your design needs. Thanks for joining, and don't forget to save all your changes before exiting the editor.